Hi guys, I'm here, and I'm here to show you something really cool. And I know how to breed somebody. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to breed somebody.
Wait, what do you teach children now? Why do you have to go? YOLO, oops, I mean Yojo. Well, so, that was strange, man. That was really
So I'm gonna be showing you how to breed somebody special. See my last video, my second message, you don't know who I'm talking about.
pretty strange cow, to be honest.
Giljon, I'm very disappointed in you, mate. Don't you ever know my name?
You don't even know my name.
I'm not gonna.
You kind of forget her name all the time. Let's just go.
I'm not gonna breed it, but I'm gonna show you how to breed it.
I'm the best rapper alive and the greatest John Trooper ever. Yeah, you totally are.
We have the SHUGABUSH.
They're just arguing. Let's head over to the bakery. Let's forget about Ollie. Yeah, good idea, Mango. Why don't we don't want to be late this day. Yeah, we're heading over to the bakery.
I'm gonna show you how to breed this guy.
Always showing off his boat to John Richard. That was so strange. So you think that right when...
I'll show you how to breed this guy right here. Cool looking guy. Pretty cool. You need to get him at the high level. Right now he's level 7. We'll try to get him level 10, successful on SHUGABUSH Island. Unless I bring some cool monsters, I can have 3 monsters for now. So while that's happening, we'll show you how to breed this guy. But I'm not gonna breed him. All I'm gonna do is just gonna show you how to breed him. But I'm looking at Mango Tingo, Yandere, Middle School. So I like to breed random things to get money. So you don't need a Clambo and a Bogart, but you need a Bogart and a Clambo. Like I tried Clambo, then Bogart, it didn't work. So Bogart.
Yeah, it is, isn't
it? And Clambo. It gotta be like that. But I'm not breeding it.
Yeah, let's see the special.
So let's see what is there I can repeat. I'll show you how to breed a Jigo
Why would you even ask us about the
later. So I'm going to show you how to breed a Jigo sometime. This is like a secret monster, like a Jigo. Do I have a pummel?
Yeah, he probably shouldn't have, to be honest.
I have a pummel, right? Oh yeah, there is. And T-Rock.
What exactly is the John? Where on the body is the John? I don't even know where the John is.
I don't know what I made. Probably a pummel. Yeah, that's a pummel. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how his sound is. Let me go. Let me go.
Yeah, our mom. Yeah, oh yeah, yes, our mom, yeah.
Don't you dare try to steal my girl, Papa John. Mango's well as mine.
I don't really think so.
The reason I'm going to Ice Island is because I need to switch it out. Because it's not playing a song because I switched it out. Since I switched it out, it's not going to play. Oh, I have 12 diamonds right here. Oh yeah, I have a rare right now. Right now I have a rare. I'm collecting rares from the Star Shop. I'm sorry guys if you have to look at this lag, I'm sorry. I'll fix it sometime. I know the lag is a problem, but I'll fix it later. So all I need to do is just wait until it gets to there. Okay, so just waiting. You're just waiting now.
That's kind of suspicious though, dude. Like, what if she actually like Like, why would she run away when she was just with her boyfriend? Like,
Let's just
like, wouldn't
see.
she go with him to school? Like, oh, what if she went after
Okay,
Toilet Paper
so
John? Oh no, what if she's trying to Toilet Paper John? You think she went after Toilet Paper John? Yeah. What if she's trying to like chase him? What if she like threatened him or something, and that's why Toilet Paper John ran away when he saw her? Maybe that's why he was cut off or something like that.
Not worried, but...
That is stupid. Yeah, we should probably just maybe after this program. Yeah. We should get our mind off it though. Let's get our mind off it though. Let's just get some food. That's a very good food here.
Mega! This cake!
Oh,
This cake! It's so painful, Mega!
oh, you like cake? Look, this is. It's been there for weeks, dude.
Oh, no! Mega, they pranked me!
I really like cake too, but nothing will ever compare to my love for Mango's mom. Oh, they have some cake over here though, Logan.
What type of cake is this? Hey.
Yeah, what type of cake is it, Papa John? What type of cake is the one that's over there? Papa John. Oh, hey there, young lad. This is our famous
Oh, sorry.
Chocolate Carme. Sorry, Logan.
Sorry, chocolate? What?
What's chocolate? Oh, it's probably chocolate. Yeah, they call a lot of things John, because Papa John loves the
Okay, I'll take a few of these.
I'm sure I'm just gonna get some cookies, I think. Oh, you took the side. Oh, you took off the side. Thanks for the cookies.
Store in the shop.
Sure thing, young lad. But remember to tell your friends to stop by next time. Yeah, we'll tell our friends to stop by Papa John. We're gonna get going though. Okay, we'll see you around. Okay, we'll see you around.
See Papa John. Thanks.
Okay, you have a mighty John day today, kids. Yeah, thanks. Oh, Richard's actually paying him.
Too kind.
Yeah, we'll see you around though, Papa John. We'll see you around, okay?
Hey, Papa John.
You guys want to head over to school now? Yeah, we're probably gonna be late if we don't head over soon.
Yeah.
Oh, there's always this old guy that likes to hurtle over these. Well, I never mind. Okay, Yo-Joe. Oh, dude, that was such a nice Yo-Joe. We should probably head on over to the school though, right? We should probably head over to school. You guys want to head over to school, guys? Come on, guys, come on. I'll get Ollie in his buddy's knocking the tree. He's Yo-Joe in this one. Yeah, let's head over to school, guys. Wait for me, mates. Yeah, I'm totally wait for you. Do you want me to push you now? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go.
there it goes. Now he playing. Yeah. There it goes at the end. Yeah. And it doesn't matter what level the monsters are. It can be level 4, who cares, but it's just gonna take longer. If it's like a big level, it'll matter more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share with your other friends. Please like and enjoy this video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.